In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code in Google Slides in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and get started with this easy step-by-step process. First, you'll need to head over to Google Slides. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in Google Slides, or click on the direct link if you already have it bookmarked. Once you're there, the next step is to sign into your Google account. Make sure you're using the account you want to associate your work with, as this will ensure all your presentations are easily accessible in the future. Once you've signed in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. Here you have a couple of options. You can either start a blank presentation from scratch or choose from a variety of templates that Google offers. If you're just practicing or you want something quick and simple, selecting blank presentation is a convenient choice. However, if your QR code needs to be part of a themed presentation, feel free to explore the template options. With your new presentation ready, it's time to dive into the extensions menu, which is located on the top bar of the Google Slides window. Click on Extensions to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, look for the Add-ons option. Hover over Add-ons and you'll see a list of options. The one you're after is Get Add-ons, so go ahead and give that a click. Now you're in the Google Workspace Marketplace. This is where you can find extensions to enhance your Google Slides experience. In the search bar at the top, type QR code and hit enter. This will bring up various QR code generators available as add-ons. We recommend selecting the QR code generator for a straightforward experience. Click on it and you'll be prompted to add it to your Google Slides. Once the add-on is installed, return to your Google Slides presentation. You should now see the QR code generator option available under the add-ons section in the extensions menu. Click on it and follow the prompts to create your QR code. You'll often have the option to input a URL, text, or even a number depending on what information you want to encode into your QR code. After you've entered the necessary information and adjusted any settings to your liking, the QR code generator will create a QR code right within your slide. You can then resize it, position it wherever you want, and integrate it seamlessly into your presentation, and just like that, you've successfully created a QR code in Google Slides. Now, whenever you share or present this slide, anyone can scan the QR code with their mobile device to instantly access the encoded information. It's a simple yet powerful tool for making your presentations more interactive and engaging.